Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful downtown Denver, Colorado. Another stunning day out here. It's absolutely beautiful. About 92, 93 degrees. A little breeze. We're on top of about a 30-foot high roof here. Let me show what we got. This is a house that was built back in 1898, and this roof's probably 25 years old. As you can see, we're kind of nice up here. See the beautiful mountains again. Love looking at the Rockies. Anyway, back to our roof here. This is an old torch down roof. You can tell when they torch it down, you see the tar comes out the sides. It's had a coating on top of it. This is an old elastomer coating where they try to keep it, extend the life of the torch down rolled roofing. Here's actually a hatch from the inside of the house, but hasn't been used in a long time. We'll probably try to do something with that. As you can see, not a big roof, but it's gonna be a fun project. I like getting into these old houses. This will be simple. We'll replace this with a 2-ply, maybe a 3-ply modified. Not sure how we'll do the edges here. If we'll run it over and terminate it with termination bar, or, I'll figure something out. But here's what we got. I'm here with Bryce, our newest addition to APC Roofing. Great guy. But that's what we got, guys. This is Sean Bennett with APC Roofing. You guys be kind to each other.